breath by breath, the Delhi pollution is killing you. This as Delhi continues to breathe, well, severe quality air for the second straight day. The average air quality of the national capital is currently in the severe category. Now, what does it mean in layman terms? Well, experts say that this means you're smoking at least 16 to 17 cigarettes a day. That's how grave the situation is. Particularly vulnerable are our children and the elderly. Schools have partially shifted to the online mode, but kids continue to breathe this toxic air. Not only can this cause chronic respiratory illnesses and long-term exposure can even lead to cancer, but it can also hamper your child's cognitive development. That's what various credible reports have pointed out. Well, as far as the days ahead are concerned, given the fact that the weather conditions are going to be unfavorable, the Delhi air quality is expected to be in the severe category for at least the next 48 hours. If you're indeed to venture out in the national capital, you must wear an N95 mask. Year after year, the Graded Response Action Plan is implemented. These are essentially a set of emergency measures. They do not bring down the pollution levels. They do not bring down emissions. All they can do is contain pollution. That's what experts have pointed out. Well, stage 3 of GRAP has kicked in. Let's quickly take a look at what it means for you and me. Well, there will be a near total ban on construction activities. Now, these are non-essential construction activities. On vehicles as well, a partial ban in the sense that BS3 petrol and BS4 diesel vehicles have been banned. Other than that, of course, curbs on coal. Coal, of course, is among the most important contributors to Delhi's air pollution as well, and a ban on diesel generators as well. But let me bring in my reporters at this hour. Well, Anushka is joining us from the Lodi Garden, I believe. Shreya Ghosh is also with us. Anushka, to you first. Delhi continues to breathe severe air. Do you see morning walkers? Of course, the schools are shut today because of the festival, but they've partially shifted to the online mode. What are Delhiites essentially saying year after year the same story?
Certainly, Vedant, years after years of November haze, people are forced to breathe in toxic air quality. Right now, also the collective AQI in Delhi stands to be 409. Right now, we're being joined by some morning walkers. Let's go straight to them and ask them what all problems are you facing. Sir, हम लोग देख रहे हैं दिल्ली एनसीआर में कई घंटों से जो वायु गुणवत्ता है वो काफ़ी खराब श्रेणी में दर्ज की जा रही है. क्या क्या दिक्कत हो रही है इससे आपको?
ऐसा मुझे तो कोई ज़्यादा फील नहीं होता, क्योंकि मैं तो अभी एज मेरा ठीक है, तो फिर सुबह में मॉर्निंग वॉक कर लेता हूँ, तो ऐसा मुझे नहीं. लेकिन जो है मेरे कुछ दोस्तों ने बताया है कि सुबह में उठ के उनके गले में जो है कुछ खराश आना या फिर गले से कुछ बलगम बाहर निकलना, तो ये सब चीज़ें तो लोग बताते हैं कि फील होता है. और छोटे बच्चों का स्कूल सब कुछ हैम्पर हो रहा है. और पोल्यूशन कोई ऐसा प्रॉब्लम नहीं लेके आता है कि जो आपको इंस्टेंटली दिख जाए, जो अभी दिख जाए. मुझे अभी नहीं लगता, लेकिन जो असर है वो अक्यूमुलेट होगा, और अक्यूमुलेट होकर के धीरे धीरे 2-4-5 सालों में जो है कुछ बड़ी बीमारियां बदल जाएगा. और ये कोई ऐसा चीज़ तो है नहीं कि जो हम पोल्यूशन तो हम डेली लाइफ में फेस कर रहे हैं. नवंबर मंथ में ज़्यादा विजिबल हो जाता है, इसलिए सभी आदमी ज़्यादा बात करने लगते हैं. अगर हम देखें तो हम डेली लाइफ में हम हमेशा पोल्यूशन फेस करते हैं. ठीक है.
आपका नाम क्या है सर?
राजेश कुमार.
सर, आप यही के रहने वाले हैं?
हाँ.
क्या क्या दिक्कत हो रही है? लगातार देखते हैं साल दर साल पोल्यूशन जो है वो बढ़ता जाता है, AQI सीवियर क्वालिटी में चली जाती है और लोगों को परेशानी का सामना करना पड़ता है.
नहीं, बढ़ता जाता तो ठीक है आपको, लेकिन हम देख रहे हैं 500 से ऊपर तो नहीं गया. ये रहता तो 500 से नीचे है, ऑलमोस्ट वही है. गवर्नमेंट को कहीं ना कहीं ये देखना पड़ेगा कि किस चीज़ से हो रहा है. वो सबको पता भी किस किस चीज़ से हो रहा है. मेरे दिमाग में एक ये था कि ड्यूरिंग ये पीक आवर्स तो हम उसमें एक आर्टिफिशियल लैंड का कुछ कर सकते हैं, तो वो कर लें कि बहुत 100 किलोमीटर का मुश्किल दायरा है हमारा दिल्ली का, तो लोगों को काफ़ी रिलैक्स हो जाए कुछ महीने के लिए. ये मेरा.
आपका नाम क्या है सर?
श्याम.
सर, क्या कुछ कहेंगे? दिल्ली में AQI अभी भी काफ़ी ज़्यादा ख़राब क्वालिटी में है और काफ़ी प्रॉब्लम्स भी होती है लोगों को. आपके घर में बच्चे बुजुर्ग होंगे, उनको क्या दिक्कत आ रही है?
आँखों में जलन होना, गले में खराश, जैसे सर ने बोला, यही प्रॉब्लम फेस होती है. सुबह उठो तो कोहरा, पूरा धुंध होती है, बस वही आंखों में जलन होती है. सुबह आओ जैसे आप यहाँ पे घर से उठ के, तो आपको आंखों में जलन मेन फेस करनी पड़ेगी. रात को तो जल्दी पहुँच जाते हैं घर, तो ऑफिस से सीधा घर आ गए. इससे ज़्यादा बस मेन यही होता है कि बच्चों के गले ख़राब होते हैं, डॉक्टर के पास जाना पड़ता है बस.
You can see, Vedant, people are clearly facing a lot of troubles because of the air quality that is currently deteriorating in Delhi NCR. We are currently seeing that for now several hours the AQI is still in the severe category. GRAP 3 was implemented yesterday. It will be in action from 8 a.m. to today, that is. And right now also we are seeing that a lot of restrictions were made. Several vehicles have been banned to come inside Delhi. But even after all of this, the normal people who are coming out for morning walks are facing the double whammy of low visibility and the bad air quality. That is also, we can say that severe health hazards, people are being exposed to severe health hazard. And right now also the people we talked to have certainly said that it is not visible today, but certainly after a few years it would be quite, it will accumulate and it will create quite a big problem for the people who are living in Delhi NCR. Back to studio.
That's right, Anushka. In fact, one of the gentlemen there made a very important point. We need to understand where this pollution is coming from. What is the source of pollution? Then target pollution at the source level. In fact, yesterday, nearly 30% was from stubble fires. But vehicles continue to be a very important source of pollution. In fact, more than 12% right now. And a big chunk also from smaller towns in and around Delhi. So all of those sources need to be identified. But going across to you, Shreya, quickly take us through what GRAP 3 means for you and I. Of course, schools have partially shifted to the online mode, but these are all emergency measures and near total ban of construction. So A, these measures do not bring down emissions that we know, but B, their enforcement continues to be a big challenge year after year as well.
Absolutely, Vedant. The Commission for Air Quality Management has been criticized time and again for being all talk and barely any enforceable action when it comes to curbing the annual air pollution crisis. And as you were talking about the increasing vehicular emission as a contributing factor to air pollution, let me tell you the Graded Response Action Plan Stage 3 has been implemented. But I was trying to speak to some of the traffic inspectors here, and they haven't been instructed yet about the kind of rules and regulations that comes under the anti-pollution stringent measures. And let me tell you what are these measures. Essentially, of course, we know that all classes for students up to class 5 have been shifted to online classes to prevent exposure to polluted air. But when it comes to the vehicular emission, some of these end of life vehicles are supposed to be banned. There should be severe crackdown, but this year we have seen only around 2,400 end-of-life vehicles have been impounded as compared to what it was impounded last year. Almost 22,000 end-of-life vehicles were impounded. So clearly we can see there is poor enforcement of these measures. And of course you can see right here there is this increasing visibility, lower visibility and increasing smog, and one shouldn't be fooled by this thinking that this is just a dense fog, but it is poisonous because of the extreme smog cover, and the temperature has dropped to 18 degrees Celsius. And going back to what we were talking about, the electric vehicles and vehicular emission, one should know that all interstate buses from NCR states except EVs, CNG vehicles and BS6 diesel buses have been banned. And there is also ban on BS3 petrol and BS4 diesel four-wheelers in the region. Why? Because these old vehicles emit significant amounts of particulate matter. And remember that the violations of this ban will result in penalties under Section 194 of the Motor Vehicles Act with a hefty fine of rupees 20,000. So these old vehicles and the kind of restrictions that are on the interstate buses needs to be implemented. We all know that this is on paper for a long time now, but it's high time that there is a strict enforceable action that takes place on ground. And we also know that construction and demolition activities are completely banned right now, except for essential construction work such as for any particular hospital or construction activities for the national importance. But it's important that these kind of emergency measures kind of take place on ground, and strong enforceable action takes place. That is the need of the hour at this point. Back to studio.
That's right, and of course, the heavy reliance on emergency measures should also, sort of decrease, as have been saying again and again, given the fact that we need to target pollution at the source level. That is the only way forward, and we have seen that as far as vehicles are concerned, right now only BS3 and BS4 diesel vehicles have been banned, but how much do they really make up for the total pollution as far as vehicles are concerned? So all of those statistics need to be figured out as well. But Shreya, you do wear an N95 mask as well as you report from these extremely polluted areas. As doctors point out, N95 is the only thing that can prevent you from the micro pollutants, the cancer causing PM 2.5 pollutant. But Anushka, quickly, the Delhi government in a huddle as well, a meeting over GRAP is also being called today. A quick word on that as well.
Well, certainly, Vedant, the Delhi government is in a huddle because what we are seeing is that the air quality is not seeming to be in a good state, because what the Delhi government had expected that the meteorological conditions will change, heavy winds will blow, but then we are seeing that the meteorological conditions are quite unfavorable right now, and because of that the AQI level has not seen any kind of an improvement, and because of that a meeting has been planned. Yesterday we saw CAQM announced the implementation of GRAP 3 now for enforcing all of that and for keeping in a point what all can be done. That is why the meeting has been certainly planned by the Delhi government. The environment minister himself will be chairing this whole meeting, and after that several points will be discussed in this whole meeting about how the air quality should be enforced, how all of these GRAP 3 measures should be enforced, and not only on on CAQM but also on several central pollution watchdogs also should need to create out a plan, a joint action plan, and then enforce all of it so that the air quality in Delhi could be improved. Back to you, Vedant.